She's out! Woo! That's one. One down. 87 to go, probably. So I am going through getting all these rivets. Ideally, I'd hit them with a punch so that it gets the little pin on the inside to pop in, and then that's the pilot hole to screw them out. And then if that doesn't work, I have to grind them off. So this is me doing that. Got it. Good morning. It is day number 697, 472, 271, I think, of Demolition. No, it's only been about a week, and it's been a long week. My body aches. I've never taken so many baths at night, or ever, I guess. But I'm onto the ceilings, which is just great. The walls are out, the front is out, and I got the middle seam, but now I think I'm just gonna try to rip it out with my dad's truck again. It seems to have worked for the floors and the walls, so why not the ceilings too? See how it goes. Hello. Trying to rope to the ceiling piece. Whoa. Ceiling piece. I think I'll use a towel to kind of protect the rope so it doesn't rip around me. Like so. That is good to go. And now I'm gonna go do that to the hitch of the truck. Out here we're gonna do a bullet on a bite. Same thing, but you grab this and use this as the end. So I need a little more slack. Am I a not pro? Absolutely. tow truck. What did absolutely nothing. Ceilings are out, and I got the insulation out, but it is just nasty. And so I started scraping to clean it up on this side. Looks nice and clean. And now I'm doing the same over here. It's super windy today, so I have all the windows open because it's fiberglass insulation, and I shouldn't be breathing that or getting it in my eyes. And so I got that going, but every time I scrape something, the wind would just brush it out and I'm making a mess of the yard. So I have a shop vac and I'll show you. I can't believe that has happened, but it is officially gutted. It's late, but I did it. I even ground down all the rust and put some Rust-Oleum on it for the night. And tomorrow we'll just keep on going. Just like that, demo days are over. It was what? 20 minutes of your life and about 50 hours of mine. I am relieved to be done with that chapter. Next week, well, next episode, not next week, I'm hitting the floors. So I'm gonna paint the floors, get some subflooring down, maybe even laminate in that chapter. We'll see. I don't know. Just kind of going with the flow. I appreciate you all for watching. I put a lot of effort into these videos, so I'm glad people are watching from home. Let me know if you like it, comment, you know, all that goody stuff. Yeah, well, we'll see you next time and have a great week.